Hi, this is Litre to the Parts Plus. Today we have a 2005 Renault Kangoo, stock number 6387. It's ran from the 8th 2004 to the 12th 2007. It has an X76 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the X76 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front 14-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 14-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tailgate door. Left rear tailgate door, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear aftermarket 14-inch wheel good tyre. Right front door 1 dent. Right front guard no dents. Right front aftermarket 14-inch wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,